Bhavan hosts first ever state conclave on National SCST Hub scheme for SC and ST entrepreneurs of the states today. Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit apprises Party National President Uddhav Thackeray on revival of defunct industries in Manipur. Director of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry asserts doubling farmers' income by 2022 requires development in animal husbandry sector. And a startup boot camp under the planning department kicks off in Manipur University. MU Administrator Jarnail Singh highlights qualities of a successful entrepreneur. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Usham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. The first ever state conclave on National SCST Hub scheme was held at the Darbar Hall of Bhavan today. The conclave aims to aware SC and ST entrepreneurs of the state about National SCST Hub schemes and other government schemes to bring them at par with their counterparts in other states of India. National Small Industries Corporation Limited and Forum of SC and ST legislatures and parliamentarians jointly organized the conclave under the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Speaking in the event, Governor Najma Heptullah lamented that potential resources of the state remain unutilized adequately due to lack of proper strategies. She believed that the conclave will facilitate promotion of states' produce to the rest of the world and enhance the state's economy. The National SCST Hub scheme catering to SC and ST entrepreneurs was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2016. Taking part in the event, Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren assured of all-out efforts for implementing the scheme in Manipur and urged relevant officials to execute the same sincerely.
God has been very kind to us to give this wealth, natural wealth. But it has not been properly exploited, properly used. We have one of the best type of agriculture products. There are many products. There are more than 500 different varieties of medicinal plants available in our state. How many people know in the rest of the country there are 600 different varieties of orchids in our state?
जो scheme है लाइए, we are ready to have at any level. Conference orangwani, khana rangwani, hangraga uroi. Whatever the money invested is not reaching out to the needy people. Why? Lack of transparency between the leaders, lack of sincerity between the officials. Sigi portion of it am concerned already.
Various technical sessions were held during the conclave. The first session on public sector undertakings related to financial and banking was presided by various financial experts, including a member of Bombay Stock Exchange, followed by an interaction program between the experts and SC and ST entrepreneurs of the state. Taking part in the conclave, working president of Forum of SC legislatures and parliamentarian Inder Iqbal Singh Atwal stressed the need to raise awareness on various undertakings under National ST-SC Hub scheme in a state like Manipur with a large population of SC and ST community. Urging the state government for assistance in initiating the scheme, Inder Iqbal disclosed plans of setting up a new chapter of Forum of ST-SC legislatures and parliamentarian for Manipur. Speaking on the occasion, Planning and Marketing Director of National Small Industries Corporation Limited, New Delhi, P. Udaya Kumar, affirmed of various benefits under National SCST Hub and assured of efforts to ensure 20% of the total productions in India from micro, small and medium enterprises.
We need somebody should collaborate with us and we should work on daily-to-daily basis. Our team of experts will be working and we want there a lot of things and a lot of potential is there. And I'm happy, I'm honored that I went to the district called Chandel, Churchandpur, Senapati. I want to visit more areas with my expert of teams. I visited only these places, There huge potential available. A lot of things can be done, but we need to work. We are trying to become bridge in between Manipur and all the schemes which are available with the Government of India. For that, we need cooperation and support from Government of Manipur.
Government of India has set a target of procurement of 20% of the total products and services from micro and small medium enterprises, out of which there is a sub-target of 4% which needs to be procured from SCST entrepreneurs. These are mainly for the purpose of creating an inclusive growth and to empower the bottom of the pyramid among the people.
Food Safety Administration in a press release warned of strict actions against food business operators FBOs in Imphal East and Jiribam districts if they are found selling food items against Food Safety Act rules and regulations in view of Diwali and Ningol Jacoba celebrations. Manipur University's Center for Entrepreneurship and Skill Development, Manipur Institute of Management Studies MIMS and NIBIAA Consultancy Private Limited have jointly launched a startup boot camp under the Planning Department at MIMS Conference Hall in Manipur University today. Addressing the event, MU Administrator Jarnail Singh emphasized the need for a successful entrepreneur to be able to take risk and be well planned beforehand. Jarnail Singh maintained that entrepreneurs should know their customers and maintain quality at all times. Taking part at the launch, Chairman of Babina Group of Companies, Dr. T.H. Dhabali, urged the educated youths of the state to start their own initiatives and also to create employment opportunities for others instead of merely waiting for government jobs. He stressed the need for skill development to facilitate novelty and innovativeness. Around 200 applicants will attend the camp.
So you should not be scared. If you are scared, you can't be entrepreneur. You can't be entrepreneur. Don't be scared. Take risk level, and go into detail. Do with your own hand. Take pen and pencil and write it. Cost kya no, scheme kya no, progress kari Madu na successful ba
Okay, no walk on the doxy, no walk on the base or a strategy to follow. Karimano, hope target, see market commentary, Magi, raw material, resources, business labor, see Toxitoma, then power one with drug. I had a single answer and a nice order by high the toxic children to look at my family.
Shiv Sena Manipur delegation team led by State Unit President Morangthem Tombi submitted a memorandum to National Party President Uddhav Thackeray during a national-level Shiv Sena conference held at Shivaji Park in Mumbai. The memorandum demanded the revival of defunct industries of Manipur, especially Loitang Khunau Spinning Mill and Jiribam Tea Estate. Union Minister Anand Gileji and Party General Secretary and Rajya Sabha MP Anil Desai have extended supports for the memorandum during a joint meeting held with the delegates. Indigenous Peoples Association of Conclave Park and Ire Park in Chanura, Loinasilon, Ichal in separate press releases extended solidarity to UCM's mass rally on October 31st. Socialist Students Union of Manipur in a press release informed that following an agreement with the state government, its wall painting agitations against RSS and BJP in connection with Kangla has been suspended till November 9 in view of Ningol Jacoba. Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Shyamkumar gave 10 lakh rupees for afforestation activities and to construct a village water reservoir at St. Peter's Catholic Church in Tubamai village in Senapati district. The minister urged the villagers to safeguard the environment while handing over the money to pastor of the village yesterday. Meanwhile, the minister also assured of offering assistance for similar undertakings at Baptist Church in the same village within 10 days. PHED Minister Losi Dikho also attended the event. The 40-hour meditation training program held at the auditorium of High Court of Manipur since October 16 concluded today. Manipur State Legal Services Authority and Meditation Monitoring Committee of Manipur High Court jointly organized the program under the strict guidelines of Mediation and Counselation Project Committee MCPC of the Supreme Court of India. 4 trainers from outside the state trained 22 lawyers of the state on how to handle controversial issues during the training program. A signature campaign on special summary revision of photo electoral rolls 2019 under Systematic Voters Education and Electoral Participation SVEEP was launched in Thoubal district today. District Election Officer and DC Thoubal organized the campaign launched at MMRC and Unity Park Hall in Khangabok. DC Thoubal departmental staff, students and teachers gave their signatures for the campaign. The signature campaign will be conducted in 6 other places of Thoubal district. A registration campaign, especially for transgender, LGBT community under Systematic Voters Education and Electoral Participation will be held at Kuranga Nayani Hall of Imphal West DC Office in Lamphel-Pat on October 22. District Election Officer Imphal West in a press release informed that the first level checking of electronic voting machine and voter verifiable paper audit trail VVPAT of the upcoming Lok Sabha election for Imphal West will be held from October 27 to 30 at Imphal West DC office. 2 representatives each of state and national political parties in Imphal West can inspect the procedures. 182 Battalion BSF Korenge has organized Border Security Force BSF Martyrs Half Marathon 2018 today. The half marathon under the aegis of Sector Headquarters Counter-Insurgency Operation BSF Manipur was flagged off from Kuman Lampak and concluded at 182 Battalion BSF campus in Korenge. 135 personnel, including women, took part in the race. Constable Amul Malkari won the first prize in under 35 years category. Head Constable Sharnappa bagged the winner's title in above 35 years category, while Prikansha Devi emerged as winner in the women's category. The winners were felicitated by DIG of Sector Headquarters BSF Manipur Hidam Subhon Singh. Interaction program and felicitation of surviving family members of deceased BSF Javans highlighted the event, attended by Commandant of 182 BSF Battalion TH Binod Singh and many other officials.
सबको पता ही है बीएसएफ कहाँ काम करता है, लेकिन ये कि बीएसएफ को एप्रिसिएशन बहुत कम मिलता है कि हम काम करते ही दिखाई नहीं देता, क्योंकि हम जहाँ खड़े होते हैं वहाँ सबसे डिफिकल्ट एरिया होता है, जहाँ कोई भी आदमी, कोई भी जानवर भी जो जहाँ जिंदा नहीं रह सकता, बीएसएफ खड़े रहते हैं। 2017 में 9 मई को जो गैंग इंसिडेंट हुआ था, उसमें अपने एक्टिव ड्यूटी करते हुए जान को खोया था। कांस्टेबल निंगथोबो मैतेई एंड कांस्टेबल संजय तिर्की के नाम पे हम यहाँ कैंपस के अंदर 2 रोड, अलग-अलग रोड, उसका नामकरण कराया जाएगा। ये हमने ऑलरेडी प्रपोजल भेजा है।
Councillor and staffs of Sadar Hills Autonomous District Council staged a sit-in against the bomb blast that occurred near the residence of ADC Sadar Hills chairman in Kangpokpi district. Various placards were displayed at the sit-in stage in front of the council office. Kangpokpi Town Committee KTC also organized a mass rally against the bomb blast incident at Kangpokpi district headquarters today. The rally demanding to arrest the culprits involved in the bomb blast started around 2 this afternoon from M. Thomas Ground and concluded at ADC Sadar Hills office. Manipur University in a press release notified results declaration of BSc second semester examinations 2018 May batch. Results are now available at the university's website at www.manipuruniv.ac.in. Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on World Osteoporosis Day observance today. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Manipur joined in observing World Osteoporosis Day today. RIMS Director Professor A. Shanta flagged off a silent public awareness rally in connection with World Osteoporosis Day today. Various placards on bone health, healthy diets to keep bone healthy, fracture risk identification and societal burdens of osteoporosis were used during the rally organized by Lions Club of Imphal Valley, passing through many areas of Imphal city. Pamphlets on bone health and osteoporosis were also distributed to the public. Speaking in the event, Professor Shanta said osteoporosis is a big impediment in the society. He said post-menopause women above the age of 50 are at risk of osteoporosis, making them vulnerable to fracture of spine, hip and wrist, etc. Professor A. Shanta also stressed the need to keep track of one's diet and to be aware of the symptoms of the disease. Social activist Diana Mayanglambam, osteoporosis patients, youths and members of Indian Red Cross Society in Imphal West branch took part in the rally.
This is a silent disease, particularly very common in the women, particularly when they attain the age more than 50 years. And the only thing is that when you notice is that when there is a fracture, particularly when they fallen down in the bathroom or something, and then when you diagnose, particularly in the long bone, in the femur. So that awareness program, what they are organizing is really good for our Manipur society.
Manipur dadi nupi dan hena nagan ba laina ni sarugi laina se adum maite dadi pangna doctor gumba yeng ba se pangna yeng na de aduna yeng na da bani na laina sina ayo sangra kang dadi kona yeng kang dadi cure oi bangam da bani na khudong thiba yamna nangba yamna yawe.
This is a silent disease.
Lions Club of Imphal, in collaboration with District Blindness Control Society Imphal, will organize its second free eye care camp for this month on October 28. Lions Eye Hospital and Services Trust in a press release informed that the camp will be held at Lions Service Center of Lions Club of Imphal in Sangai Pro from 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. One-day discussion on the impact of drugs on society and violence on child and women was jointly organized by Nongpok Leingak Apunba Nupi Loop, Imphal East, Union Club Kurai Angom Laikai and Angom Maning Laikai Nupi Chaukat Loop at Kurai Angom Laikai Yumjau Lairembi Mandop today. Speaking in the event, SP Imphal East MPSK Meghachandra highlighted the negative impact of internet in propagating drug abuse. He also attributed the geographical location and social environment of Manipur for making its inhabitants vulnerable to drugs abuse. Assuring of all possible assistance from the police department, Meghachandra appeals for public cooperation in curbing the menace of intoxicants abuse in the state for a better society. An anti-drug campaign on mission drug prevention and control was carried out at Kwakta Bazaar today. Child Line Bishnupur Director L. Pishak and Psychiatrist of Bishnupur District Hospital Dr. N. Ganeshwar attended the event as resource persons. A cycle rally participated by over 1,000 people was also flagged off on the occasion. MLA Moirang Constituency P. Sarachandra, DC Bishnupur IAS Bhavan Yadav and DC Churachandpur IAS Shamlal Punya, MLA Kumbi Constituency S. Bira, Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board, and MLA Oinam El Radakishore, top officers of Civil and Police Department, Churachandpur and Bishnupur districts, students of Mukta High School, Moirang, and members of various civil society organizations took part in the event. Manipur Urban Development Agency MUDA and Vivo Healthcare Institute Imphal jointly conducted an awareness program on various free skill trainings programs with provision for stipends at Sagolban Thangjam Leirak Community Hall today. The program was carried out under the supervision of Corporator Imphal Municipal Corporation Wards Number 7 RKG10. MUDA will be sponsoring a free training program with a stipend for class 12 pass students on dialysis technician, emergency medical technician and general duty assistant at Vivo Healthcare Institute Center in Uripok. Padma Diagnostic Center also conducted a free medical camp on the occasion. Four days farmers training on scientific livestock and poultry farming was launched at Central High School, Chalo in Lamlai constituency today. The training program is organized by Bharatiya Kishan Sangh Manipur Prant. Speaking in the event, Director of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Department H. Chauba asserted that India government's vision to double farmers' income by 2022 will be impossible without bringing development in animal husbandry sector. He said there are various beneficial animal husbandry schemes for farmers. He said a farmer rearing 5 pigs can earn more than a farmer with 1 hectare of paddy field. Stating that there are many central sponsored schemes in the sector, the director urged farmers to get details on the same from district department circle officers. He also said that efforts are on to complete construction of district veterinary hospital at Sawambung in Imphal East under NABARD Rural Infrastructure Development. Joint Director of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Department, executive members of Bharatiya Kishan Sangh Manipur Prant and representatives of Farmers Club from Lamlai, Andhra and Cycle constituencies attended the event.
Doubling farmers' income Honorable Prime Minister na Lauriba Honorable Chimishan Lauriba postings by 2022 the farmers' income se double when see and Lauriba sita. Why did Maru Uriba departments sectors equation and men husbandry sectors. Masi have Yaudabata. There is no possibility at all to double farmers' income.
Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joy Kumar has released a Manipuri feature film entitled Manja Nangbu, produced by Iraba Pictures Productions today. Speaking in the event held at MSFDS Auditorium in Palace Compound, Y. Joy Kumar stressed the need to introspect on the declining influence of theatre drama when Sumang Lila is still popular. He maintained that theatre, drama and Sumang Lila performances provide audio-visual awareness on various issues to the public. He expressed a desire for such entertainment platforms to highlight the past as well as the present social and economic scenario of the society. Chairman of Film Forum Manipur S. Mangoljao also attended the event.
Arts and culture is important. Arts and culture Hanele Makoi, Ipanat, Ipunat, Hagrid Kari Hagani. See, Hojiki Basiga, Karmaitona Kanotogese. I always use arts and culture. It bridges the past with the present and it will bridge the present to the future. See, the arts and the cultures, a quick center, quick Mayamse, Adula, consciously, unconsciously, knowingly, unknowingly, film, film, society is a neighbor, society can walk, see them reflect away.
Secretary to Chief Minister in a press release informed that the Combined Hill Leaders Day and Miyam Ginumit will be held on October 25 for this month. UNESCO Club Manipur and Observation Committee of United Nations Day jointly opened a vocational training center for both the hills and valley inhabitants at Thongju Part 2 today. The center was inaugurated by Chairman of Salai Holdings Private Limited, Naringbam Samarjit. Speaking in the event, Naringbam Samarjit assured that the new vocational training center will facilitate closer ties between inhabitants of hills and valley through professional exchange programs.
Chukai Chukaina, Toy Join a lay roba, a quick cooking maxa, Nasidagidi, Chumnagi, a quiggy, Oiba, Chinda, a quiggy canoda, a quiggy communication da, Kaida, Pongna but the gap and Bamayam Singado, Huzikti, professional exchange, Amator Banina, Amadi, mission exchange, Amator Kadrobanina, Amadi career exchange, Amator Kadrobanina, compulsory integrated Habado, Aduna Mapung Parmatumda, integrated Habado, compulsory Madu Por Ani.
Annual devotion of Chingu Khoyum Sidaba Apanba Kairung Hanba Chingu Khoyum Shidabi Apanba Kairung Hanbi and Chingu Khoyum Shidaba Shidabi Liglai Pong Jenba Imoinu Chahong Nahong B organized by Laying Thau Malem Anganba Sanamahi Thaugalup Wangoi was held at the sacred shrine located in Wangoi Laikon today. Prayers were offered for welfare, peace and prosperity of the state for the coming year. Southeast Asia Cultural Organization SIACO in a press release resented the construction of Ras Leela Mandal inside Kangla Laifamland, citing that the initiative will turn the sacred site into a cultural polluted area. P. Birahari Charitable Foundation PBCF distributed all-age pensions to beneficiaries in Wangjing Tengtha of Thobal district today. MLA Wangjing Tengtha P. Brojan dedicated the foundation in his late father's name. A total of 891 elderly persons were given 1,200 rupees each for 6 months as pensions in the event, held at Wangjing Wangkai Community Hall. Speaking on the occasion, MLA P. Brojan hoped for donations to the foundation so that it can carry forward its endeavor of helping destitute aged persons. Director, Minority Affairs in a press release informed that the last date for submission of Minority Pre-Metric Scholarship Form, which was on October 15, is extended till October 31st, and that of Post-Metric Scholarship and Minority MCM-based scholarship forms, which was on September 30, is extended till October 31st. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Bhavan hosts first ever state conclave on National SCST Hub Scheme for SCST entrepreneurs of the state today. Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit apprises Party National President Uddhav Thackeray on revival of defunct industries in Manipur. Director of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Department asserts doubling farmers' income by 2022 requires development in animal husbandry sector. And the startup boot camp under the Planning Department kicks off in Manipur University. MU Administrator Jarnail Singh highlights qualities of a successful entrepreneur.